I've always loved the Honda Accord. My new Accord is every bit as well-made and reliable as my last one. Plus, it's the most comfortable Honda I've ever driven. Accords are known for getting great gas mileage. Mine gets up to 30 miles to the gallon.
I've always loved to drive. The way the Accord accelerates, the way it handles, it's Honda engineering that makes the Accord so special. On the perfect drive, you need the perfect driving music. I connect my iPod to the USB audio interface and find the song I want without taking my hands off the wheel. And no matter where I end up, the Navi system pinpoints my location and helps me find my way home.
The Accord spoils you. I'm on the road a couple hours each day, so I want to relax when I'm behind the wheel.
Well, well.
Come on in. The designers considered every last detail. All the controls are right where I want them. They work perfectly. They look great. It really is an ingenious car.
I like knowing that my Accord comes equipped with advanced safety features. I call it technology with a purpose. Call Emma.
Hey, how's it going?
Great, I'll be home in a minute.
You don't say.